decided to take you to a few waterfalls. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to take you to a few waterfalls in Czech counties. I didn't do research, I just know about these places, so I know if it's like hike or no hike, or how far is it from the parking lot. So I am here today to show you and tell you everything about it, how long it takes you to get there, if it's like long and short. So I'm planning to visit two of them, and on the way here we passed one more, so overall we should visit at least 3 waterfalls today. So let's go look at the first one. So the waterfall is here and the parking lot is right there. So I think this takes you like 20 seconds. But I think you can go down, so let's take a look. Here is a little lookout. Let's see how's the view. This is nice. This is nice. So I think this is the great photo spot, because here is a good view to the waterfalls. Very beautiful, only I would, remove this wall, but it's nice, it's very nice. I'm satisfied. It's not a big hike, which is something for me. I mean, I like hiking, but just in the mountains mostly. Here's another lookout, and it looks like we can continue down. So we're gonna try to get as low as possible. If you come from here, there is also nice viewpoint. So if you want to continue, you have to climb rocks. So I really do recommend to take better shoes, ideally hiking shoes. I have, sneakers, but not hiking ones. So
oh no.
so hopefully I will survive. Got from up to here. I don't know which way, this or this. Finished with this spot. At the end of this video I will tell you the price for parking and how you can get there, or how long is the trail. And yeah, we are now moving to another spot, so let's go. Okay, we moved to another falls, so we're gonna take a look how long is it and how they look. So let's go. So this trail looks pretty good. More rocks on the way, so it means we are really close. here we go again. At the beginning of this trail, and now we are moving to another waterfalls, and at the end of this video I will tell you how long it took us to get there and you know, like details about the places. So let's move to another place. So guys, we didn't get to the last waterfalls because we searched for them and we found out that they are in private property. So for example, you can book the wedding there, but you can't go there as a tourist. So we couldn't have make it there, but let's summarize our trip. Now I'll tell you the name of waterfalls we visited today and everything about. The first waterfalls were English Falls. They are located in Grey County near Owen Sound. So you have to pay for parking there. It's $10 daily parking, and the way to the waterfalls is about 20 seconds, but if you want to go under the waterfalls it takes you approximately about 20 minutes, I would say, and you have better view than from the up. There were not so many people because I think everyone is staying up, so I think it's better just to take a trip and go under the falls. The other falls are located approximately 9 minutes by car from the first waterfalls, also the same Grey County and near Owen Sound. And the way under the waterfalls took us about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes, I think. And there is a free parking, so you don't have to pay for parking. So if you are somewhere here, it's good to visit them both. I think these are the most well-known waterfalls in this area, because if you search for waterfalls near Owen Sound, these are the ones you can see. That's it for today's trip. I'm a little sad that we couldn't have get to the last waterfalls, but whatever. I'm happy that I saw these two, and what I do recommend to you to bring with you is mosquito repellent, definitely, because I have so many bites, so don't be as crazy as me and just bring a repellent with you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. You can expect more adventures, so I do recommend you to subscribe to my channel, and as always I would be really happy for a like and comment. Okay guys,